Hello! Do you know what estimation for addition means? If you don't, that's great, because we're going to teach you that today. So estimation is like when you guess an answer. And when we're relating it to addition, you would say you're guessing the answer that's closest to it. So if I had a big number like, I don't know, 23,451. Oh, sorry, 51. Okay, and then plus, what's another big number? 72,450. Okay, so those are big numbers, okay? And if you didn't have time to quickly write it out in written method, you would have to estimate the answers, wouldn't you? So, in this case, if I gave you examples like 95,000, I don't know, 912, or would it be 154,615? Now, estimating means you guess the one that's closest to that answer. So in this case, if you quickly look at these two, 70 plus 20, is that nearest to 90,000 or 112,000? And then 400 plus 400, things like that. What you do is you look quickly and go, that's more like this answer, for example. And it is. So that's why the estimation would go to this one. So it's not looking for the exact answer, it's looking for the one that's closest to it. So use this information, play the next game, and we'll see you the next one. Bye!